I would like to request Dr. Asfandiar Shirani, Head WHO Sub-Office, Balochistan, to share a few words with us.
Thank you so much. I hope I'm audible, and I thank Hamdard team and all colleagues, and they are present with us today for this important event, which is both commemoration of World Health Day and then 33rd conference, child conference also. And I am very happy to listen from wonderful children across the country, and then overseas children also joining us today. And I resonate with the children and their views from Balochistan that healthy beginning is the foundation of a hopeful and prosperous future. And I also agree, more than agree, that if we ensure that every child is given the right to healthy beginning, it's not just these are not just interventions, but an investment in our future. And I think a lot has been said by the children and shared with us, and they actually were affirming what World Health Organization and all institutions and organizations that work on child health, इनकी आवाज resonate करती है उनके साथ. If I speak about Balochistan, we are, I think, driving the indicators for maternal and child health in the country. And then I would not refrain from saying that few of our indicators are even not in good shape at regional level. To mention few, I would say that like 46% of children in Balochistan, they are stunted. उनकी growth retardation है, and then 18% of the children are wasted. Similarly, हमारी infant mortality rate is one of the highest. Our maternal mortality is one of the highest in the country. And then children very rightly mentioned that it's not only the health indicators, but जो आपके social indicators हैं, access to clean water, drinking water and sanitation है. In Balochistan, 25% of the population has access to clean drinking water and sanitation. तो ये सारी चीजें resonate करती हैं with the fact that health should be seen as a socio-economic problem. और जिस तरह डॉक्टर बाबर ने कुछ economic growth का background दिया, so there are two approaches where you focus on economic growth, and then you have a human-centered development approach also. We need to go on the second one, जहाँ पे आपके socio-economic और social indicators पे ज़्यादा focus हो, because the determinants are lying in the social background of the communities. And with this, I also affirm that World Health Organization in Balochistan and all over the country is focusing on strengthening of immunization, basic health needs जो हैं बच्चों के, that marks the good start. That is safe delivery practices, and then early initiation of breastfeeding, childhood immunization, and then addressing acute malnutrition services through services in the hospitals are few of the core areas where WHO is focusing. Because if we focus on preventive measures like exclusive breastfeeding, early initiation, it can reduce up to 13% of child mortality. And then it also contribute to larger cognitive needs of the children in the long run. So looking into these facts and needs which children have mentioned and my colleagues from other provinces have mentioned, I think we need to work more concertedly at policy level by building strong partnerships. Making data-driven policies and community engagements would give us that leverage which we want to achieve through SDGs and other national commitments and goals. With these facts, I give floor to the other speakers, and thank you so much for giving me slot to speak and share my views also. Thank you so much.